Google just released Nano Banana 2 and it changes everything about how we create images in AI. Before this, you had two options: fast and ugly or slow and beautiful. Now, there is a middle option that's fast enough to iterate and good enough to actually use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Nano Banana 2 can do, how to access it for free, and the features that make it better than anything else out there right now. Hey guys, I'm Jake Dawson, and let's dive into this. Here's what just happened. Google added a third image model to Gemini. You now have three options. Nano Banana, that's the original fast model. It generates images about in 9 seconds, but the quality is a little rough. Details are blurry, text looks like gibberish sometimes. Now Nano Banana 2, this is the new one, it takes about 15 to 20 seconds per image, but the quality is way better. We're talking about readable text inside images, consistent characters across multiple generations, and you can even edit images just by describing what you want to change. This is what most people should be using right now. And then there's Nano Banana Pro. This is the slowest option, 30 to 40 seconds per image, but the quality is unmatched. I mean, we're talking ultra realistic textures, perfect anatomy, flawless text. This is for professional work where you need maximum quality and you're willing to wait. So let me show you how to access it. You go to gemini.google.com, sign in with your Google account, click on create image or just type generate an image of and describe what you want. Now by default, you're using Nano Banana 2 if you're on a free account. So you get about 50 AI credits per day, which means roughly 20 images. So that's more than enough to test this out without paying for anything. Now, if you do want Nano Banana Pro, you need a paid Gemini subscription. But honestly, Nano Banana 2 is good enough for most things. So let me show you why. So before I do, here's a quick word from today's sponsor, which is Create UGC, because this actually ties in directly to what we're going to be building here today. Now, if you're using Nano Banana 2 to create images for marketing or social media, you probably also need video content, and filming yourself takes forever. Create UGC solves this. I've tested a lot of AI video tools, and Create UGC is one of the tools that I keep coming back to. Now here's why. Their avatars actually look like real people filming UGC content. Not that robotic corporate feel that you get in some tools. These look real, like real creators filming on their phones. And that matters because UGC style content, it outperforms polished ads on social media. People trust it more. Also, while testing it, I was happy to see that it now has an image generator powered by Nano Banana built right into the platform. So I can generate or edit my marketing visuals, generate images from text, or directly upload an image to generate another image. Then I can feed it straight into my UGC style video workflow. It's just all in one place now. So you go to createugc.ai and create an account. They have a free trial so you can test it out. You click create video, then paste in your product link, and this is where it gets impressive. The AI automatically scrapes everything: your product name, your description, and media assets. You don't have to do anything. Or if you prefer, you can add your product manually. Next, choose your video type: product in hand, which is powered by VO3 by the way, or video reaction. Then select the media assets that you want to use in the video, dial in your settings like the language, platform, duration, and after that, you move into the avatar section. And now here's where Create UGC really shines. They have hundreds of diverse options, different ages, ethnicities, styles, and settings. Pick someone who matches your brand or your target audience. Now, what I love is the variety. You can find avatars that look like tech reviewers, fitness coaches, lifestyle creators, even grandparents. And this means that you can match the avatar to your content. If I'm making a video about productivity tools, I pick someone who looks like they work in tech. If it's about cooking, I pick someone in a kitchen setting. Now, this small detail makes a huge difference in how authentic the video feels. Then choose from their built-in AI voices, different accents and styles that all sound natural. So once you've chosen your avatar, Create UGC generates 3 ready-to-use scripts for you. You can pick the one that fits best, or you can customize it however you'd like. Hit generate. A couple minutes later, you have a finished video. That's it. I've been using Create UGC for about 2 weeks now. I've created over 50 videos with it. The quality is consistent and the turnaround is fast. Now, when I'm batching content, I can generate 10 videos in under an hour. Look, if you want to try Create UGC, there is a link in the description below. Again, they have a free trial so you can test it out before you commit. All right, back to Nano Banana 2. First is text rendering. This is where AI image tools usually fail. Let me type a prompt. Create a neon sign that says open 24 hours in bright red letters against a dark background. Rain dripping down the glass. Now, watch this. The text actually says open 24 hours. It's readable, it's accurate. The old Nano Banana model would have given you random letters and symbols. Nano Banana 2 gets it right. Here's another example. Create a coffee shop menu board with 3 items. Espresso, $3. Latte, $4.50. Cappuccino, $4. Handwritten chalk style on a black background. Now look at that. Every word is spelled correctly. The prices are right. The formatting is clean. You could actually use this in a presentation or a social media post. This is huge for anyone making marketing content, infographics, or really anything with text. Now, let's talk about image editing. This is one of my favorite features. You can upload any image and modify it using natural language. Let me show you. So I'm uploading this product photo right now. Now I type remove the background and replace it with a clean white studio backdrop. A few seconds later, look at that, a clean white background. The product looks professional, no Photoshop required. Let me do another edit. Add golden hour lighting to this image. Keep everything else the same. Now look, the lighting changes, the shadows shift, the whole mood transforms. And I didn't have to learn any editing software. Here's the thing, each edit preserves everything you didn't mention. So you can make surgical changes without regenerating the entire image. Change the sky color, swap out the background, add or remove objects. You just describe what you want and it happens like magic. Now let's test something more complex. Google says Nano Banana 2 can handle up to 5 characters and 14 objects in a single scene. So I want to try that, obviously. My prompt, 5 friends sitting around a campfire at night, 1 playing a guitar, 1 roasting marshmallows, 1 taking photos, 1 reading with a flashlight, 1 looking at stars through binoculars, including 3 backpacks, 2 tents, 2 lanterns, and 4 water bottles scattered around the scene. Photorealistic, warm firelight. That's a lot to ask. So let's see what happens. And look at that. I mean, all 5 people are there. I can count the backpacks, the tents, the lanterns. The hands all look normal. Their faces are consistent. This actually works. The old model would have given you maybe 3 blurry people and random objects. Nano Banana 2 follows complex instructions accurately. So if you're doing concept art, storyboarding, or detailed illustrations, this changes everything. Now let me show you the style presets. This feature is only in Nano Banana 2. So when you open the image generator, you'll see preset styles at the top. You got cyborg, steampunk, vintage, cinematic, and there's more. Instead of writing in the style right in your prompt, you can just click the preset and generate. Let me demo this. My prompt is a futuristic classroom with an AI teacher and students. I click the cyborg preset, and 15 seconds later, look at that. Chrome surfaces, glowing circuits, robotic elements, perfect for sci-fi content. Now the same prompt, steampunk presets, 16 seconds later, we have Victorian era meets industrial, brass gears, that vintage machinery look, copper tones. It's a completely different vibe. Same prompt again, but vintage poster preset this time. 14 seconds later, we have retro print look, grainy texture, a limited color palette, great for indie projects or nostalgic marketing. So that's 3 completely different results from the same prompt in under a minute. This is how fast that you can iterate now. So let me give you a simple framework for which model to use. You want to use the original Nano Banana only when speed is everything and quality doesn't really matter so much. Quick mockups, placeholder images, testing prompt ideas before that final generation. Use Nano Banana 2 for almost everything else. Social media content, blog images, infographics, marketing visuals, presentations with text, quick typographs that need to look good. This is your daily driver now. It handles about 90% of real-world use cases. Use Nano Banana Pro only when you need absolute perfection, professional client work, editorial photography, cinematic frames, final deliverables where the maximum quality matters. This is the last 10% where you're willing to wait 35 seconds per image. Now, here's what you should go and do next. Go to gemini.google.com, sign in, type a prompt, and generate your first image. Test the text rendering, try the style presets, upload an image and edit it. See for yourself what Nano Banana 2 can do. Okay guys, if you found this helpful, go ahead and please hit subscribe. I'm putting out AI tutorials like this every single week. And if you want to take this even further, I've got prompt templates and workflow guides in my school community. The link for that is in the description below. Hey, what are you going to create with Nano Banana 2? Drop me a comment and let me know. I read all of them. Thank you again for watching and hanging out with me today. I will see you in the next video where we're going to take this even further. Just click on the video to my left and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'll see you there. Go ahead, still waiting.